really fine too. I got some songs with many meanings. Read between the lines. Nowadays prophecy revealing. When you read the signs, you got to creep before you walk. You got to live before you die. Feeling great now, how you feeling? Really fine too. I got some songs with many meanings. Read between the lines. Nowadays prophecy revealing. Really the signs. Creep before you walk. I put my city on the map. Yeah, they'll a splash. Yeah, they'll a move. Blaze fire hot. Barrel full of crap. Ooh, barrel full of crap. Think them coulda stopped. All of them shell I go crack on the crawl at the barrel and reach to the top. All of them show I sell out to my land in a foreign, my show never flop. Shell on the water already, shell it down again and then call him a back. Who could I sick for call my walk? Share with the wall of my brethren and 50-50 when it drop. I put my city on the map. Yeah, they'll a splash.
So we're here at the lot. I don't know how long this is going to last before we get kicked out. Yeah. I just want to get my coasters on lock. I was fucking around yesterday in my driveway and got a couple good ones, so I know I'm going to get a couple good ones here. Almost like
ride the brake on.
Don't pop it up unless the only thing you're gonna think about is the brake.
Okay.
Like, if you're worried about something, you're not gonna be thinking about the brake as much as you should. So like literally just be like, okay, I'm gonna pop the clutch. When I get up to a reasonable height, I'm just gonna hit the brake and see what happens. All right. And then after a while, you'll start to like hit the gas after and you'll catch yourself a little bit.
Okay.
Like when I'm coasting like that, I'm touching my brake like that. Like barely. It's like sketchy.
Damn. That is fucking sketchy.
I know. Need this and a 600 and I'll be mint.
You want to try this?
I'll ride it. Feel free to hop on that.
I'll take it on the fucking place, bro.
Rise at the sun from under the drum. Play yourself up, we got junior chat. Yeah, I wear them I go do and tie them junior chat. Go tell the baby them look ready, call the doula come. Them think I yesterday I from your little youth me a chat. Me no play ring ding with reggae music, give me my ring. Man I got Jackie Dilly and Dolly with the rhythm.
Like it. It's pretty hard to get up, no?
Your clutch is spanked.
Yo, yeah, fuck yeah.
You can't adjust it either. I tried pulling it out.
And there's nothing.
If you could pull this out, I bet you would be mint. Oh my fucking
so small.
It's too loud.
It's way too loud.
It's like a Civic. Like if he red bombed it right now, it'd sound like that. For real.
Fuck yeah. Oh, you do circle wheelies.
Yeah!
Oh, they were pissed.
That was so funny.
Pissed behind her.
Don't give me no praise, yeah, listen, I see I ain't mad at king. Just give me my crown, call me I'm son. I play with them, come on, I got my vision. Melody, I'm a weapon, lyrics, I'm my ammunition. Exactly, I see, send me with that on a mission. But I know all that I get the microphone from out of my arm. John never give the power to my wallet, man.
Damn! I ain't never seen that many drift sluts in Simsbury. That was a nice little lot session. I definitely learned a couple new things. I never got coasters good like that. The other day I just like tried them real quick and freaking it just clicked. I was like, oh, I get it. Like most things with bikes, like when you learn how to wheelie and you just fucking get that pivot point that one time, hit the brake, and you're like, I get it now. But yeah, I've been gone for a little bit. Not that anybody really cares, but I sprained my wrist or whatever. I couldn't move it around too much. I haven't been wheeling and stunting like I have been. I went down. I'll see if I can get that video on here. I don't know if I will. I'm not too tech savvy, but I got new bar clamps, Pro Taper, new Pro Taper Evo CR high bars. What else? The rubber killers down here. Got new foot pegs right now. I've been doing one-handers lately with my foot like this, heel tucked. And I've been cutting the shit out of my heel every time I go out. So I'm gonna throw those on tonight. I got moose. I got some crazy moose pegs. They're freaking awesome. So you'll see those. I blame me crashing on this cheap eBay brake lever. I bent my stock one, and all I could find at the time was this cheap brake pedal. And what I think happened was we rode for an hour on the highway pretty much, hopped off, and I just started doing wheelies left and right, trying to scrape like an asshole. And there's a little gap right here, and I think I bottomed her out. Like that's it. Like there's no reason I would be pressing harder than that usually. It clears plenty. But I'm pretty sure when my brakes got high, either boiled the fluid or I really have no idea, maybe glazed over the rotor. I feel like it would be fucked right now if I actually did glaze it, but yeah, I think I bottomed her out. So I got a stock one. I'm gonna throw that back on there. I think I'm just gonna polish it and make it look okay, but gotta get a wider tip. Don't buy this piece of shit. You will go down, and I mean it. So I sprained my wrist, that healed, and then I was looking for my GoPro everywhere and I couldn't find it. So cleaned the house, did all the dirty laundry, fucking went through everything. Someone definitely nabbed my GoPro off my helmet when I was tired. Fucking, yeah. Someone nabbed my GoPro. So I got a new one. It's a 7 black with the hyper smooth. It's a little step up from what I had, so enjoy the GoPro, cocksucker. But yeah, I'm back. I'm gonna be posting just as much as I was. My biggest problem was I didn't have a camera. We went to the lot today and accomplished some shit. I sweat my ass off at work today. Worked 8 hours out in the fucking sun, 100 degrees. You got no excuses. Go out and progress. Go out and ride. Don't stop. Every day. Ride your fucking bike. Peace.